एउटा पार्ट
मात्र
केजीको लागि
सर्व भन्दै हेर्नुहोस् कि हजुरले आफ्नो तर्फबाट
यसको उद्देश्य बच्चाहरूलाई शैक्षिक सामग्री देखाएर उनीहरूलाई चाहिँ दिगो सिकाइको लागि हामीले सामाजिकमा यी विविध सामग्रीहरू प्रयोग गरेका छौँ। बच्चाहरूलाई पनि बजाउन लगाएका छौँ, कतिपय चिजहरूको सहयोगमा बनाइएका छन् र यी सामग्रीहरूले बच्चालाई दिगो सिकाइको लागि र उनीहरूको चाहिँ पछिसम्मको लागि ज्ञान रहोस् भन्नको लागि नै हामी सामग्रीहरू प्रयोग गरेर बच्चाहरूलाई
आधुनिक प्रगतिको उसमा यो आवश्यक गर्दैन।
अब यो बच्चाहरूलाई चाहिँ दिगो ज्ञानको लागि नै हामी प्रयोग गर्छौँ र बच्चाहरूले देखेर भन्दा पनि हेरेर राम्रो सिकोस् हाम्रो उद्देश्य देखेर अथवा बनाएर उनीहरूले अझ राम्रो चाहिँ प्रयोगआत्मक ज्ञान प्राप्त गरोस् भनेर यो हामी घरेलु औजारको रूपमा चाहिँ बच्चाहरूले बनाएका छन् र यो सामाजिकसँग सम्बन्धित छन्। हाम्रो जस्तै परम्परागत घर सामाजिक र त्यस्तै आधुनिक घर ढलान घर हाम्रो बच्चाहरूले बनाएका छन्। त्यस्तै बच्चा बस्नको लागि हाम्रो परम्परागत रूपमा रहेका चकटीहरू है, फिर्का, घरेलु प्रयोगको लागि डोको, हलो, जुवा, त्यस्तै मनोरञ्जनको लागि सारिङ्गे हाम्रा यी सामाजिकसँग सम्बन्धित छन्। र त्यसै गरी अब यी आधुनिकताको लागि कुर्सी पनि छ बच्चाहरूले बनाएको, खानको लागि आधुनिक डेस्क, परम्परागत रूपमा फेरि चकटीहरू भए, फेरि राष्ट्रिय सुरक्षाको लागि यो बच्चाहरूले मेसिन गन, यो आर्मीको लागि राष्ट्रिय सुरक्षा पनि मेसिन गन बनाएका छन्, यो बच्चाहरूले नै बनाएका हुन्। विभूतिको लागि गौतम बुद्ध होइन बच्चाहरूले बनाएका हुन् र त्यसै सबै हामी र बच्चाको सहयोगमा यसरी बनाइएका हुन् र हामी यो प्रयोग गर्छौँ पठन पाठनमा। यो बच्चाहरूले अब ती फाल्टो किताबहरू गरेर त्यसलाई फेरि बच्चाको मेहनत प्लस बुकको चाहिँ राखेर दुइटै मिलाएर यसरी बनाएको। यो त क्यालेन्डरमा टाँसेर झुन्ड्याउन सजिलोको लागि
यो चाहिँ राम्रो आइडिया साधारण पाइयो नि त टाँस्नु पऱ्यो नि त।
दुईवटा भाषागत विषयको चाहिँ सामग्री रहेको छ, नेपाली प्लस इङ्ग्लिस र म नेपालीको चाहिँ हामीले बनाएको सरसर सामग्रीको चाहिँ संक्षिप्त वर्णन गर्छु के हो। नेपाली विषय शिक्षक अब हाम्रो यो लेखित चिन्ह र तिनको प्रयोग यो हाम्रो 4 कक्षादेखि यो 12 कक्षासम्म पढ्नुपर्ने सामग्री भएको हुनाले यो चाहिँ बहुउपयोगी हुन्छ भनेर मैले लिखित चिन्ह र तिनको प्रयोग भन्ने सामग्री बनाएको छु। त्यस्तै गरी यी शब्दपत्रीहरू वाक्यपत्रीहरू छन् यहाँ र अर्को मैले गीत मार्फत उपसर्ग तथा प्रत्यय गीत मार्फत पढाउँदा विद्यार्थीहरूले अझ उत्सुकताका साथ सुन्छन् र उनीहरू चाहिँ पढाइमा सक्रिय सहभागी हुन्छन् भन्ने उद्देश्यले मैले चाहिँ गीत मार्फत उपसर्ग तथा प्रत्यय शिक्षण गराउँदा पोहोर परार साल पनि एकदम उपयुक्त भएको छ मैले सामग्री निर्माण गरेको छु। त्यसै गरी लिङ्ग वचन पुरुष आधार हाम्रो 4 कक्षादेखि नै यसको पढाइ हुन्छ र अब यो माथिल्लो तहसम्म पढाइ हुने विषयवस्तु हुनाले यो सामग्री पनि हामीले निर्माण गरेका छौँ। त्यसै गरी काल र पक्ष यो पनि बहुउपयोगी सामग्री हो जुन सामग्री तल्लो लेभलदेखि माथिल्लो लेभलको लागि अत्यन्त उपयोगी छ। त्यसैले काल अनि त्यसका पक्षहरू हामीले चाहिँ एउटा वृक्ष चित्र मार्फत देखाउँदा बच्चाहरूलाई चाहिँ उत्सुकताका साथ सुन्छन् भनेर यसरी निर्माण गरिएको छ। त्यसै गरी शब्दवर्ग शिक्षण यो पनि अत्यन्त व्याकरणको लागि अत्यन्त उपयोगी पाठ हो र यो शब्दवर्ग शिक्षण गराउँदा हामीले विकारी शब्दवर्ग, अविकारी शब्दवर्ग अनि शब्दवर्गका प्रकारहरू यसरी हामीले देखाएका छौँ। उदाहरण सहित यहाँ छ र मैले यसलाई पनि गीत मार्फत चाहिँ पढाउने चाहिँ जमर्को गरेको छु। गीत मार्फत गऱ्यो भने बच्चाहरूले अत्यन्त उत्सुकताका साथ यो विषयवस्तु चाहिँ
बन्द गरौँ त्यसलाई टोन।
र त्यसै गरी यो चाहिँ हाम्रा साना कक्षाको लागि उपयोगी सामग्री रहेको छ। स्वरवर्ण यो चाहिँ समास र विग्रह माथि 6 कक्षाभन्दा माथिका बच्चा र विशेष गरेर अझ 9 देखि 12 कक्षाको लागि उपयुक्त सामग्री हो र यी सामग्रीहरू सबै साना कक्षाको लागि केन्द्रित रहेका छन् र त्यसै गरी यो शब्द रचना अथवा शब्द निर्माण कसरी हुन्छ, शब्द निर्माण कुन कुन तरिकाबाट हुन्छ भन्ने उद्देश्य चाहिँ यसमा रहेको छ। त्यसै गरी अब 12 का यी सबै सानो कक्षाको लागि उपयुक्त सामग्री भयो। त्यस्तै क्रियाको भाव र अर्थ 6 कक्षादेखि पढाइ हुन्छ, 12 कक्षा सक्नको लागि उपयुक्त सामग्री हो। त्यस्तै कारक र विभक्ति चिन्ह अनि अर्थ तिनको कसरी कारक चिन्ने कसरी विभक्ति चिन्ने भन्ने कुरा कारक र विभक्तिमा छ। त्यस्तै यो शब्दवर्गको अर्को पाटो रहेको छ र यो काल र पक्ष यो पनि काल र पक्षसँगै सम्बन्धित रहेको छ। धन्यवाद, नमस्कार।
Good afternoon, everybody. I am Naresh Lamsane, secondary level English teacher. First of all, we mention this picture especially for the guided writing for the lower level students as well. And we just mentioned here the model of condolence or congratulation like this. And tense and voice. This is just tense and structure just to mention. And while we are teaching opposite words, we are mentioned in the same branch here and opposite word and same word is here. This is just for vowel sound. Just make attractive. They have to make a concept. And this is type of sentence. And it is especially for 11 and 12 students, English sound system. It is very important. As well as verb. In periphery, there is a main verb and center there is auxiliary verb, do verb, modal verb and add verb as well as reverb. And this is very useful for classroom language, primary level to all level. And me and our family, this is also used for guided writing as well, free writing, write essay about your family, yeah, like this. And while we are teaching noun, just make a concept. Noun means person, place. The child make their mind. Person means, and we can just hold there, teacher here, and place there is a temple, and they can learn, like hospital, zoo, yeah, this is under place. And there are so many cutouts, maybe traffic symbol, occupation, vegetables, yeah. This is just for mind making for this. These are the all English materials. Thank you. Another part of it. Yeah, and
solar system. Circular path. Around the sun, they are revolving in circular path. These circular paths are called orbit. And Mercury, Venus, or Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. They are respectively from inner side to outer side. These are small rock particles in the universe. They are asteroids. Inside the asteroid there are 4 inner planets, and outside the asteroids there are 4 outer planets. These planets are gaseous planets. These planets are solid planets. That means they are formed by the combination of rock, soil, minerals, etc. And this is the Earth. This Earth is our living planet. 3 parts of Earth is consist of water, and 1 part is consist of land. That green part represents the land, and that blue part represents the water. This is lungs. It is included in science chapter life process as well as in physical chapter. There are 2 parts of lung. When we inhaling the oxygen, that part will blow up, and when we exist out the carbon dioxide, they will be lose the size. And it can be shown by inhaling the oxygen inside. Yeah. That is hydraulic lift. This is teaching material. Represents the chapter of pressure of class 10 science. Heavy material in industry, heavy vehicle in automobile center. While repairing them, heavy vehicle load are present here. When it is compressed from here, then this load is uplift. That is hydraulic lift. It is based on Pascal law. When load is lifted, then it works automatically. It is the life cycle of butterfly. The life cycle of butterflies completes in 4 stages. First stage is egg. It lay eggs on green leaf. Then second stage is caterpillar or larva stage. It is very voracious stage of butterfly. It is inactive stage of butterfly, that is pupa. It is inside the cage of material, and that is the final stage. When pupa is burst out, then finally butterfly is formed. It is adult stage of butterfly. As this way, its life cycle is complete. Now it is the photosynthesis process. That means food making process of leaf. When root absorb water, minerals from underground parts, that is soil parts, it is transported from xylem and it comes to the leaf. When leaf absorb sunlight from sun, then it makes photosynthesis process with presence of carbon dioxide, and finally food is prepared, and that food is transferred to the whole body part through phloem. Phloem is the conducting part of the plant. This is the 4 parts of flower. That is also called the reproductive part of the flower. First part is androecium. Androecium is the male reproductive part of the plant. Gynoecium is the female reproductive part of the plant. When pollen grain bursts out from here, then it is transferred to the gynoecium, and this comes to the here, and this part forms the ovule and ovary. Finally, ovary converted into fruit, and inside ovule they change into seed. That colorful part of the flower is called petal, and the bud stage, that protecting green part of the flower is called sepal, and that stem is called petiole. It is from water cycle. When sunlight is come to the ocean or water collecting surface, then it is evaporate and finally comes to change into water by the process of condensation. After the process of precipitation, that will be changed into water, and that water also comes to the again in ocean, and this cycle is repeated again and again. That's why it is called water cycle. It is from chemistry. I have already guided to the students for making this. The hydrogen atom contain only 1 electron in its case. Chlorine, Kal, M cell contains 7 electrons. To form octet, it needs 1 electron. To make it duplet, it needs 1 electron. That's why duplet and octet state is formed here, and hydrochloric acid is formed in this way. It is the formation of hydrochloric acid. This acid is in our also science lab. It is from class 10 science. Class 10 science, there is a ammonia gas. How ammonia gas is formed? By combining 3 atoms of hydrogen with nitrogen is shown in this diagram. 3 atoms of hydrogen combined with 1 atom of nitrogen, then ammonia gas is formed. NH3. That is the molecular formula is NH3. Atomic structure is 1 nitrogen is combined with 3 hydrogen atoms. It is electric fan. Today we are in summer season. Electric fan is very necessary to us. Inside it there is one battery, and when from their battery conducting wire is connected here. Inside it one motor is here. That motor rotates the electric fan. When switching on, it will rotate. It will rotate. When it is off, stop. Electric fan. It is the phases of moon. That at center part it is Earth. Around the Earth, our satellite, natural satellite is moon. Around the Earth, our moon is rotate. New moon, that means it is औँसीको रात. यसलाई औँसीको रात भनिन्छ. From new moon, waxing crescent, new moon, waning crescent. A little part of moon is seen here, half part is seen here, and full moon is come here, and waxing reverse in this way. Phase of moon is right. This and this is same. That is from our school. That is from Saraswati Adavut Vidyalaya. It is electric circuit. It is included in science chapter of class 8 and 9. Battery, switch, conducting wire, bulb. When switch is on, there is a connection loose. It it will be problem here connecting here. Connecting bulbs. Switch is on, light is on, switch is off, light is on. It is plant cell. It is from class 8 science. That is nucleus. It is class 9 science. It is pulley. That is load. It is load. It is inclined plane. In inclined plane, load is pull out from this side, and it is an example of inclined plane. Blood circulatory system in our human body. When pure lungs purify our blood, it comes from lungs to our left auricle to left ventricle. This pure blood is transported here from aorta, and it is comes to our head, lower parts of the body, liver, stomach, intestine, lower parts of the body. When our body consumes blood, it will be changed into impure blood. Impure blood is represented by blue color. Pure blood is represented by red color. Impure blood is represented by blue color. And that impure blood is collected from head to the lower parts of the body through superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. It comes to the right auricle, in this way right ventricle. From this pulmonary vein, it comes to the lungs to purify the blood. Again, this cycle is continuing our body, so that it is called blood circulatory system. It is the 2D figure of solar system. That is the 3D figure of solar system.
What is the difference 2D and 3D?
In 2D, only image side, only length and breadth side of two sides of object is seen. In 3-dimensional figure, 3 sides of the object can be seen. Length, breadth, height is included in 3D figure. Only length and breadth is included in 2D figure. It is our universe system. Impure blood is come to our lungs, and that is purified, and it will be collected into bladder, and it will come out from the urethra, and pure blood is come to the urine. That is particles of matter. In our universe, there are 3 types of particles. They are solid particle, liquid particle, water, milk, and gas particle, oxygen, carbon dioxide. It is especially for class 5 science. Sense organ, it is for especially class 5 or 4 science students. What are the sense organ of our body? There are 5 sense organ. It represents the 5 sense organ of human body. It is bacteriophage virus. It is the chain of living and non-living things. This teaching material is especially for class 8 science. Microorganism. Virus is microorganism. That is the head of the virus. It is microorganism. It cannot be seen through our naked eye. It can be seen only observing through electron microscope, because it is very small size microorganism. It is head. Inside there is a DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid DNA. It is the neck. It is the color of the virus. It is the tail seat. It is the tail virus. It represents the virus. It is included in social as well as in science from class 6. It represents the local technology. We are in modern technology, but we read also local technology in class 6 science. It is the element of modern periodic table. It is from class 10.
It is better to explain math teacher.
Yeah.
Who is? Yes.
Yes, sir. Science lectures are from.
यो हाम्रो बच्चालाई 9-10 पढाउँदा क्याडर लाइन भनेको के हो ध्यानमै दिएको यसको डिस्टेन्स जहाँ पनि इक्वल छ, जहाँ पनि डिस्टेन्स इक्वल हुन्छ र यसको मिड पोइन्ट हुन ध्याउने। यसमा पनि के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि यो एङ्गल र यो एङ्गल बराबर हुन्छ। हामीले प्रोट्रेक्टरबाट नापेर देखाउने यो एङ्गल अल्टरनेट एङ्गल इक्वल हुन्छ, यो एङ्गल इक्वल हुन्छ, कोरेस्पोन्डिङ एङ्गल हुन्छ। यसको र यसको सम पोइन्ट एङ्गलको 180 हुन्छ।
विद्यार्थी भने अझै राम्रो सक्यो भने विद्यार्थी हुन्छ।
त्यसपछि यो र यो अल्टरनेटिभ एङ्गल यो पनि इक्वल हुन्छ, तर यो र यो को इन्टेरियर एङ्गल चाहिँ सम अफ 180 डिग्री हुन्छ। यो चाहिँ ट्रायङ्गल, अनि यो चाहिँ फर्मुला एरिया अफ रेक्टेङ्गलको एल इन्टु बी, अनि भोल्युम अफ क्युबोइडको एल इन्टु बी इन्टु एस, पेरिमिटर अफ रेक्टेङ्गल 2 एल प्लस बी, त्यसपछि यो इभन नम्बर 2 4 6 8 8 गर्दै इन्फिनेटिभसम्म अड नम्बर चाहिँ 1 3 5 7 9 11 गर्दै इन्फिनेटिभसम्म त्यसपछि यो र यो चाहिँ भर्टिकल्ली अपोजिट एङ्गल चाहिँ इक्वल हुन्छ त्यसपछि यो चाहिँ टाइम यो चाहिँ प्राइम नम्बर 2 3 5 7 गर्दै आफूले मात्रै भाग खानेलाई चाहिँ प्राइम नम्बर अनि कम्पोजिट नम्बरले चाहिँ प्राइम नम्बरले भाग खानेलाई चाहिँ कम्पोजिट नम्बर 1 नट कम्पोजिट नम्बर नट कम्पोजिट किनकि 1 ले सबैलाई भाग खान्छ यो चाहिँ मल्टिप्लिकेसन टेबल अफ 2 to 5 यो चाहिँ 6 to 9 त्यसपछि यो ट्रेपिजम अनि यो सिलिन्डर यो प्लेस भ्यालु टेबल यो कोन यो ट्रेपिजम यो सर्कल यो कोन यो चाहिँ सिम्बलहरू यो डिभाइड यो मल्टिप्लिकेसन यो प्लस एडिसन यो सबट्र्याक्सन
प्लेस भ्यालु टेबल चाहिँ कसरी पढाउनुहुन्छ टिचरहरूले
प्लेस भ्यालु टेबल्स चाहिँ
त्यसको प्रयोग गरेर कसरी पढाउनुहुन्छ के पढाउनुहुन्छ
यो चाहिँ 1 10 100 1000 10,000 लाख करोडसम्म कसरी जाने
फर इक्जाम्पल 4245 भन्नुपर्यो भने के हुन्छ 4245 भन्नुपर्यो भने के हुन्छ
4245
भन्नुभयो भने त्यो
यहाँ चाहिँ 45 या 5 हुन्छ
कुन प्लेस हो त 5 भनेको
5 भनेको 1 प्लेस अनि 2545 अनि 45 चाहिँ 4 भनेको चाहिँ 10 प्लेस 400 को चाहिँ 100 प्लेस अनि कति हजार 2000 चाहिँ 1000 प्लेस अनि यो चाहिँ फ्र्याक्सन यो चाहिँ चारवटामा एउटालाई यसरी राउन्ड लगायो भने 1/4 हुन्छ अनि यो आइसोलेसिस ट्रायंगल यो आइसोलेसिस ट्रायंगलको दुईटा चाहिँ इक्वल हुन्छ दुईटा सेपहरू इक्वल हुन्छ यो राइट एङ्गल ट्रायंगल 90 डिग्रीको हुन्छ अनि इक्वल ट्रायंगल अल इक्वल हुन्छ स्केलिङ ट्रायंगल कुनै पनि इक्वल हुँदैन त्यसपछि यो चाहिँ त्यही प्लेस भ्यालु टेबल्स भयो 1 मिटर इज इक्वल टु 100 सेन्टिमिटर मिटरलाई 100 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्यो भने सेन्टिमिटर डिभाइड गर्यो भने मिटर अनि यो फ्र्याक्सन 1/4 यो लिटर चाहिँ 1 लिटर बराबर 1000 मिलिलिटर लिटरलाई 1000 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्यो भने मिलिलिटर र डिभाइड गर्यो भने लिटर हुन्छ अनि यो प्यारालेलोग्राम दुईटा साइडहरू इक्वल हुन्छ अनि दुईटा भन्नाले अपोजिट एङ्गलहरू इक्वल हुन्छ साइडहरू इक्वल हुन्छ रेक्ट्याङ्गल चाहिँ 90 डिग्रीको हुन्छ अपोजिट एङ्गल इक्वल अपोजिट साइडहरू इक्वल हुन्छ त्यसपछि स्क्वायरको चाहिँ अल साइडहरू इक्वलहरू हुन्छ अनि 1 विक बराबर 7 डेज हुन्छ
धन्यवाद
ओके थ्याङ्क यू